Hey, what's up? Smoking with SKRUGGS. Got me a new camera. This will be the third one I've been through. So we'll see how this does. People have been very nice, but it took like 2 months for them to end up deciding that the camera was bad and that they needed to send me another one. So we're just doing nothing special today. I'm just checking out my camera to see how it does. We'll cook some chicken out on the grill. That's about it. So stay tuned and we'll just do some short video grilling. Or maybe not. We'll just have to play it by ear. I'm gonna let this thing run for a while. So we're just kind of playing around. Got some old lump going on. We'll do some mesquite. Let's go ahead and get some chicken and mix me a drink. Yeah, I gotta mix me a drink. It's been so hot here recently that got feeling icky today. Just doing too much outside, man. You gotta watch that heat. It's like 103 degrees today. So I raw my tomatoes from my neighbor. Some jalapenos. Bought a big old basket full of potatoes. Wife's done them all up though. Using the old trays agave. I like trays agave. Alright. Looks like our coals are getting a little hot. So I'm going ahead and get some chicken fixed up. Yeah. That's who we're going to use today. So we're gonna go with some salt and some pepper. I don't know if y'all seen me use that or not. Carabiner jerk seasoning from Kenny's. It's actually pretty good. I know if y'all have used the Northern Italian. We will cook all this chicken up because it needs to be cooked up. So yeah, I just got my I need to bring my table out here. I'll check out this table I got. This is pretty cool. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I don't have my tripod. See if I can set this up to where. Check it out. It's a Coleman. Yeah, and I bought this just for out here, but you know I've used it several times. And this thing is like totally cool. with the other hole. Like so. This just holds up. Stick it in these little pins right here. Check it out. Cool little table. Isn't that neat? Oh, let me get hooked in. There we go. Cool beans. Yeah. Thing's pretty neat. Pretty sturdy. Sit around, put some drinks on and stuff. Got it from Amazon. I think I paid like $40 for it. Really cool. Yep. Yeah, and it's cheaper than making a wooden table. Yeah. Let's see where we're at. 300 degrees. Cool. Yeah, let's clean the grill. Man, I'll tell you what, it's like super humid out here, which is why I really hadn't been doing a lot of videos. Well, for one, the camera, and then it's just been so hot. I've pretty much just been coming home and dropping. Yeah. I don't know if we will use this yet. We'll set him to the side. Alrighty. Looking good. Alright. I need to shuffle some coals around. Looks like these coal things looks like my temperature's not up. Alright, we're gonna smoke that chicken for a little bit, and we're gonna do some flipping and grilling. Yeah, man, it's like hot. It's so humid out here. It's like stupid humid. It's just crazy. Yeah, I did weed eating today, and yeah, I had to stop like 3 times. Of course, I weed eated my neighbors. Had to weed eat my ditch because my ditch was overgrown, and they call for like major storms. Actually, we've had storms almost every night for the past week, and so yeah, I did some weed eating, and actually did too much, stayed outside too long, got to feeling icky. But now we're going to do some drinking and eating. So yeah, so far the camera seems to be doing pretty good. The other one was cutting off every 16 minutes or so, and so far this one's been about a half an hour. So yeah, cool. Alrighty, we'll be back. So here we are. I just got the chicken on the grill. It hadn't been maybe 5 minutes and it's starting to drizzle. They were calling for like major storms, and they kind of went around us, so I really shouldn't be complaining. But of course, the minute that I decide to do something outside, it starts drizzling. So I'm probably gonna have to break out an umbrella and finish this off, but we'll just play it out. As you can see, it's kind of cloudy, and I'll probably lose my light also because it's about 7:30 now. So it gets dark about 9 now, so we'll just play it by ear. Do what you gotta do. Kind of crank the heat up a little bit on the chicken. Yeah, I like this little table. I'll put the link down in the bottom. Thing's pretty cool. This is the first time I've used it on the deck, and I'm just going to keep it out here on the deck. But I've carried it to a couple of places that I've been to. Just set up a table. I mean, it's big enough 4 people can sit around it, pretty much. I mean, you can't beat it for the price. Yeah, folds up, comes with a little knapsack or whatever you want to call it. You put it in there when you're done with it, but I just wanted something just to keep out here, because every time I need to cut something or do something, or I ain't got a table, so now I got one. Cool bean. Alrighty, so we're gonna hope this drizzliness is gonna hold out. And I'm gonna crank the heat up on this stuff and cook them pretty fast, hopefully. You know how that goes sometimes. Alright, thanks for watching. Like I said, this is just an old, nothing special video, but just want to throw something out there because I hadn't put nothing out in a long time. We're just doing up some regular old chicken. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Had to kick up the heat a little bit because I'm running out of light. Let's stick these things and see what they're looking like here. Ooh. Well, I still got a little way to go. You're about done. He's done. I know he ain't gonna be done. He's a fat boy. He's a fat boy. Trying to talk with him. Yeah. We got one that's ready. Let them go for a little bit. We'll give them about 10 more minutes. Alright, so the wife's chicken turned out really good. She's all good to go. I'm going to take that on in the house and she can start eating. So my neighbor next door bought me some Roma tomatoes that her boyfriend grew in his garden. So I'm going to take these things, I'm going to stick them on a grill and kind of grill them up. After I get this chicken off, I'm going to put my little center rack in and put these things on the grill and grill them up. They look real good. Check them out. Yeah. Put a little salt and pepper on them. Yeah. It'll be right tasty. Yeah. I know the wife made a bunch of mashed potatoes, but I can't have mashed potatoes as much as I'll get a little spoonful, but I can't have white potatoes, so kind of sucks. But she bought us some jalapenos and oh yeah, that's right. I already told y'all that. Yeah, bushel in the house. Yeah, mixed me another drink. Got me another drink. So yeah, we got about a few more minutes, and then I think we'll be ready to take these other ones off, and then I'll throw the tomatoes on, as some people say, tomatoes. All right, we'll be back. Thanks. Alright, let's check on old fat boy here. See where he's at. Oh yeah, he's done. He's done. I know the others are done. We'll go ahead and pull them off. I'm gonna stick my little center grate in. Some of that jerk chicken. Yeah, look at that. Pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna take these in the house. We'll come back, cook on these tomatoes. Take you some Parmesan cheese and sprinkle on them things. I can't have cheese though, but I'm trying to find me a vegan cheese that doesn't have coconut in it, because I'm allergic to coconut too, and it's almost impossible to find. But yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah, check them out. Alright, we're gonna take this in the house. Time to grub down. Ain't super juicy, but it's got some juice in it. That's our Cajun. A piece of this Northern Italian. That's Caribbean jerk. I'll tell you what, Kenneth is the man. You got it going on with these spices. Not overpowering. Got just a little bit of heat. Northern Italian, it's just got all kinds of good flavors, but like I say, y'all see me eat those, so. That's good. Try one of these tomatoes. Man, it's pretty good. Wish it had some cheese on it though. Parmesan or something. Alright. Appreciate y'all watching. Camera looked like it did pretty good. So hopefully I'll be using that on some fishing videos on my other channel. You can go check that out. I'll put a link in the bottom to that for some fishing videos and car stuff and all that, you know, if you're kind of into car shows, which I haven't been to any since COVID, but you know, I started doing some fishing, so. But that's Monster Man, M-O-N-Z-S-T-E-R-M-A-N, or either it's Monster. God, it's been so long I can't even remember. M-O-N-Z-S-T-E-R. I think it's Monster Man. But anyway, either way, I'll put the link down in the bottom. As always, appreciate you watching and enjoyed it. And have a good one. And keep on smoking.